Hello everyone, this video will see how to install ADB with the two steps. The first step, go to the browser and search for platform tools for Windows. I'll repeat, search for platform tools for Windows. So it will open Android developer website. Open the website, then you will find download SDK platform tool for Windows. Click on that, agree the terms and condition, it will get download. The second step, once it is download, go to the folder, and open the folder. Inside the folder, you will see ADB file. So now what you have to do, in top of the search bar, just double click. It will get highlighted. Once it is highlighted, just type CMD. It will open the command prompt. Here type ADB devices. Your device will be get detected.